Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FoodTech 360. In this video, we have solved GATE Food Technology 2021 question paper. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use FoodTech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. In a typical bacterial growth curve, the first order kinetics for growth rate is observed in options A. Lag phase, B. Log phase, C. Stationary phase, D. Death phase. Correct answer B. Log phase. Question number 2. Which one of the following microorganism is not a causative agent for foodborne diseases? Options A. Campylobacter jejuni, B. Clostridium perfringens, C. Norovirus, D. Borrelia burgdorferi. Correct answer D. Borrelia burgdorferi. Question number 3. Which one of the following is not a fermented food product? Options A. Tofu, B. Vinegar, C. Sauerkraut, D. Tempeh. Correct answer A. Tofu. Question number 4. The protein efficiency ratio is defined as options A. Percentage of absorbed nitrogen retained in the body, B. Weight gain in body mass per gram protein intake, C. Ratio of essential and non-essential amino acids in a protein, D. Percentage in vitro digestibility of a protein. Correct answer B. Weight gain in body mass per gram protein intake. Question number 5. Which one of the following enzymes sequentially releases maltose from starch? Options A. Alpha amylase, B. Beta amylase, C. Glucoamylase, D. Purolinase. Correct answer B. Beta amylase. Question number 6. Which one of the following enzymes is involved in proteolysis of casein in cheese during aging? Options A. Myrosinase, B. Alliinases, C. Cathepsin, D. Plasmin. Correct answer D. Plasmin. Question number 7. Which one of the following compounds is present in soybean and act as phytoestrogen? Options A. Tanguratin, B. Lutein, C. Quercetin, D. Genistein. Correct answer D. Genistein. Question number 8. Ultra high temperature process of pasteurization of milk is achieved by heating at options A. 145 degree Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, B. 161 degree Fahrenheit for 15 seconds, C. 280 Fahrenheit for 2 seconds, D. 400 Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. Correct answer C. 280 Fahrenheit for 2 seconds. Question number 9. Bittering agent in grapefruit formed after juice extraction under acidic conditions is options A. Quinine, B. Theobromine, C. Isohumulone, D. Limonene. Correct answer D. Limonene. Question number 10. The conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid in homolactic fermentation is catalyzed by options A. Lactate dehydrogenases, B. Pyruvate dehydrogenase, C. Lactase, D. Pyruvate decarboxylase. Correct answer A. Lactate dehydrogenase. Question number 11. Which one of the following statement is incorrect with respect to controlled atmosphere package and modified atmosphere package of agroproduce? Options A. CAP and MAP limit microbial as well as biochemical activities, B. Gas composition inside a MAP during the storage is continuously monitored and regulated, C. CAP implies a greater degree of precision than MAP in maintaining specific levels of gas composition, D. Modification of the atmosphere inside a MAP is achieved by natural interplay between respiration of products and permeation of gases through the packaging film. Correct answer B. Gas composition inside a MAP during the storage is continuously monitored and regulated. Question number 12. Match unit operation in column 1 with its application in food processing in column 2. Hydrogenation for shortening of fat, blanching for inactivation of enzyme, leaching for separation of dye, winterization for removal of soft wax. Question number 13. Which one of the following are correct pair of graphs? Chemical food preservative affected organism and given food metrics. Options: A. Sodium lactate bacteria pre-cooked meats. B. Caprylic acid insects cheese wraps. C. Dehydroacetic acid molds squash. D. Sodium nitrite Clostridia meat curing preparations. Correct answer: A. Sodium lactate bacteria pre-cooked meats, and D. Sodium nitrite Clostridia meat curing preparations. Question number 14. Choose the correct pair of pigment and their corresponding color in given plant product. Options: A. Carotene yellow orange pepper. B. Betanin purple or red cactus pear. C. Lycopene red beets. D. Flavonols orange cauliflower. Correct answer: A. Carotene yellow orange peppers. B. Betanin purple or red cactus pear. Question number 15. Which one of the following compounds act as anti-nutritional factors? Options: A. Phytate. B. Isoflavones. C. Trypsin inhibitor. D. Resveratrol. Correct answer: A. Phytate and C. Trypsin inhibitor. Question number 16. Which one of the following is commonly used media in supercritical fluid extraction of spices and tea? Options: A. Water. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Dichloromethane. D. Carbon dioxide with ethanol. Correct answer: A. Water. B. Carbon dioxide. D. Carbon dioxide with ethanol. Question number 17. Which one of the following expressions represent the Reynolds number of a fluid flowing through a uniform circular cross-section pipe? Options: A. Density of fluid into average velocity of fluid into internal diameter of the pipe divided by dynamic viscosity of the fluid. B. Average velocity of the fluid into internal diameter of the pipe divided by kinematic viscosity of the fluid. C. Dynamic viscosity of the fluid divided by average velocity of the fluid into density of the fluid into internal diameter of the pipe. D. Kinematic viscosity of the fluid divided by average velocity of the fluid into internal diameter of the pipe. Correct answer: A and B. Question number 18. Which one of the following combinations of analytical equipment property measured and food property are correct? Options: A. Particle size analyzer, particle size distribution, span value. B. Texture profile analyzer, morphology, chewiness. C. Differential scanning calorimeter, glass transition temperature, degree of caking. D. Capillary viscometer, viscosity, sensory. Correct answer: A. Particle size analyzer, particle size distribution, span value. C. Differential scanning calorimeter, glass transition temperature, degree of caking. Question number 19. Choose the correct pairs of governing law and corresponding applications. Options: A. Hagen-Poiseuille law, pressure drop. B. Rittinger's law, vapor pressure. C. Stephen-Boltzmann's law, radiation heat transfer. D. Raoult's law, size reduction. Correct answer: A. Hagen-Poiseuille law, pressure drop. C. Stephen-Boltzmann's law, radiation heat transfer. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for all degree level exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing sessions in this course. Test your 12th level prelims preparation with free championship test papers. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts, keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 12th level prelims to be held in 2021. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 12th level prelims exam. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.